Today I'm going to show you how to add your second monetizing channel to your existing Adsense account. Yes, you cannot create a separate Adsense account for your second channel because YouTube, under YouTube policy and agreement attitude, you can only have one Adsense account per publisher, and that's you. Yes, you as a publisher can only have one Adsense account. You can create as many channels as you like. You can monetize those channels, but you can only have one Adsense account. And those revenues from your other channels will just go to one Adsense account to your bank. Okay, the process is very simple. You just have to follow those in YouTube Studio. You just follow what is written there. Basically, you just have to go to Adsense and then connect it to your Adsense account, and then we go back to YouTube Studio. And from there, you will see that you already unlocked the membership and the super. And it's very easy. Now, let's do it. Follow me, lady, achoo! Alright. In YouTube Studio, you just finish step 1, accept the YPP terms, and then on step 2, we are going to start to connect to an existing Adsense account, this new channel. And just follow the question, you will be redirected to Adsense. Yes, I have an existing account, yes, and then we have just to continue. And you choose the account where you want to connect this new channel. And this will be the information of your existing Adsense account. And we press continue. Now this is your channel. We're going to link this new channel to that Adsense account. So we just press setup account. And then we will be redirected to YouTube. We'll go back to YouTube. And then we just press that blue button. And voila! You just wait until it's updated. And number 2, step 2, will be done. You just have to wait. Voila! Now, step 2 is done. Step 3 will be in progress. And this is the waiting game. You have to wait for 24 hours or more. YouTube will review your channel. And if there's no problem, you will get a reply. Yes, within 24 hours. Until then you have to go back, and check if your application for YPP is approved. And this is what you're going to see once your application for YPP is approved. Let's go. And with this, you are a YouTube partner. You can monetize through membership, through supers, and when you reach 4K, you will unlock the ads. You will have ads when you reach 4K eligibility. So that's all for now. Thank you very much, and I hope you learned something from my tutorial. And that's how you do it. You connect your second monetized channel to your AdSense account. Bye. See you later.